Hey guys, this is the Waterpik Slide Rail Dual Shower Head. This thing is so great. It's nice to have these two shower heads because this you can drag on down or raise back up. Great for bathing the kids in the tub, bathing your pets in the tub, or if you want to use it for yourself. Easy to take out, do what you want. It has 9 different massage modes, which I'll show you in a second. And the large shower head itself also has 6 different shower modes that you adjust by rotating this. On the back side, kind of hard to see, is where you select whether you want water coming from both, from the shower head or for the handheld. And that's an easy way to rotate as well. This has nice massage, great power. They call it a power pulse massager, and then just tons of power for you to get a lovely spa-like shower. This was really easy to install, about 20 minutes, no drill required, but it did take a day for the adhesive to set for this before you want to start using it. So if you're looking for a dual shower head that has a great massage action, this is a fantastic option.